Hello everyone, I am Tulsidas Patil with my friend Prathamesh Barbe welcomes you all to Engineering Tubes where Engineering Medicine. And in this video we are going to understand the insertion sort. But before going to insertion sort, let's consider an example. Okay, that is before going to its algorithm, coding part, complexity analysis, let's consider an example. We all have gone through our schooling days, and in our schooling days we had a PT session. And in that session teacher used to arrange all the students according to their height. Okay, so what exactly he was doing? Okay, तो क्या करते थे, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट को वैसे पकड़ के रखते थे. ओके, एंड देन सेकंड स्टूडेंट इट मैचेस दैट इफ इट इज हाइटेड देन द फर्स्ट वन, यहाँ पे रहो, अगर वो छोटा है सामने आ जाओ. ओके, देन थर्ड स्टूडेंट. ओके, थर्ड स्टूडेंट वो चेक करते थे, हाँ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर हाइट अपने प्रॉपर पोजीशन पे आ जाओ. देन फोर्थ स्टूडेंट, देन फिफ्थ स्टूडेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू एन स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, मतलब वो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट को फिक्स करते थे एंड अकॉर्डिंगली पिकिंग अप द नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम the remaining list, okay, and insert them into its proper position. That's what exactly the insertion sort is. Okay, let's understand insertion sort more nicely with the help of its little bit introduction and the steps. So insertion sort, it is again in place comparison based sorting algorithm. Then we know what is in place comparison based sorting algorithm. Then it starts sorting by inserting the element in the new list. To sort n elements, this is really important. To sort n elements, again insertion or sort required n minus 1 passes, and worst case time complexity of insertion sort is big O of n square, and the best case is big O of n. And the steps is, अब मैप करो अपने एग्जांपल के साथ. Consider the first element as a sorted array and remaining element is a unsorted array. Done. पहला स्टूडेंट sorted है, remaining student unsorted है. Consider the first element from unsorted array. Okay, that is nothing but that is the second number student. Okay, consider the first element from unsorted array and insert it into its proper position into sorted array by comparing it with remaining elements in sorted array. ठीक है, मतलब क्या, जो unsorted है उसमें से एक एलिमेंट पिक करो और कंपैरिजन करते 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 उसको सामने बुलाओ. Okay, and insert them into its proper position. Okay, then repeat step 2 till all elements for all elements of unsorted array, and after repeat step 3 till we get all the elements in sorted order. Okay, so let's solve the example with the help of insertion sort. Okay, that example is again nothing but our output of our program, लेकिन उसका प्रोग्राम तो देखेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. So if I run this code, this is my array, okay, of 6 element. Here key is 12. Okay, that means we consider the first element as sorted one and the remaining elements are unsorted. So we are picking up the first element from unsorted array. Unsorted array अभी कौन है, एक ही array है लेकिन इसके दो पार्टीशन बन गए. First element sorted, remaining unsorted. Unsorted में से first कौन है 12. So key is the 12. ठीक है, so key को 12 pick कर दिया. Then we compare 12 with 34. Comparing 12 with 34 and we come to know that 12 is smaller than 34 if I want to arrange the element in ascending order. Okay, so 12 is less than 34, so array after first pass 12 34 done. That means I pick up the one element from unsorted array, that is first element from unsorted array, and place it into its proper position in sorted array. This is my first pass. Second pass क्या? Okay, अब sorted array में है दो elements 12 34. Unsorted array कौन है 23 to 89. So again we pick up the first element, that is nothing but 23. Then we start comparing 23 first with 34. ठीक है, we'll check. Okay, 23 is smaller, yes it is smaller. Then we compare 23 with 12, but 23 is not smaller than 12. उसने कंपेयर किया लेकिन स्मॉलर नहीं था इसलिए वो डिस्प्ले भी नहीं हुआ. So after second pass 12 23 34 remaining array. Now after second pass 12 23 and 34 is a sorted array and unsorted is from 9 onwards. So let's pick up the next element, that is nothing but 9. Compare first with, yes first सबसे पहले 34 के साथ कंपेयर होगा. ओके, छोटा है तो स्वैपिंग हो जाएगा. देन 9 and 23 कंपेयर होगा, अगेन छोटा है so 9 and 12 कंपेयर होगा and this is my array. This is the output of third pass. अब कौन बचा है, नेक्स्ट पास. इन द फोर्थ पास we need to pick up the fifth element from array. Okay, that is nothing but fifth element is 22. So key is 22, it compares with 34 23 and 12, लेकिन 12 से छोटा नहीं है, 12 से कौन बड़ा है, that's why we insert it at its proper position. And fourth and then the last pass remain, that is nothing but the fifth pass. Key is 89 and let's insert it into its proper position. ठीक है, okay, अब 89 किसी से छोटा नहीं है, so this is the position. So doesn't matter how many elements you have in insertion sort, number of passes required is n-1. So पता तो चली गया होगा कि इंसर्शन सॉर्ट कैसे वर्क करता है, एल्गोरिथम कोई याद करता नहीं है, बस ये ध्यान में रखना कि इंसर्शन सॉर्ट है क्या, सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट क्या था, वी पिक अप द स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट एंड स्वैप इट विद द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. इंसर्शन सॉर्ट क्या है, वी take the first element from unsorted array, insert it into its proper position in sorted array. Mostly बच्चे इन दो टेक्निक में कंपेयर होते हैं, कंफ्यूज होते हैं, that's why we compare both the techniques. Okay, so let's check how we need to write down the answer for insertion sort in exam. Okay, so in exam you will get the question like this: sort the following data using insertion sort in ascending order and also show the passes. So this is our data. Okay, so तुम्हें सबसे पहले लिखना होगा by considering this data. Okay, sorted array contains one element, that is nothing but 32, and remaining element is in unsorted array. So we pick up the first element from unsorted array, that is nothing but the 51. By comparing it with the elements in sorted array, okay, and insert it into its proper position, the array will look like this. So this is the process. Now after this, in the second pass, we pick up the first element from unsorted array, that is nothing but 27, and we compare it with 51, 32, and insert them into its proper position. Then, and likewise, you need to write down all the passes. Number of passes equals to number of elements minus 1. ठीक है? So this is how you need to write down the answers in examination. So I hope you enjoyed the concept of insertion sort. Again, I want to compare two techniques क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे confuse होते हैं. Okay, so we are making the video very short. अगर selection sort किसी को समझाना है, क्या बताओगे? Okay, क्या बताओगे? Selection sort में क्या होता है? We selection sort, select the smallest element, swap it with the first element. Select second smallest, second element. That is called as selection sort. Insertion sort क्या था? Pick up the first element from unsorted array, insert them into its proper position in sorted array, and go on. Okay. And in selection sort, time complexity is big of n square. In insertion sort, time complexity is big of n square. In worst case, in best case, time complexity is big of n. अब वो कैसे आती है, उसका कोड कैसे करना है, all these things that we are going to see in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, kindly share it. So thanks for joining Engineering Tunes, where engineering matters.